Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do an install and a full review on the Auxito smoked lens side marker lights, front and rear. These things are pretty awesome, which means we're getting rid of these. You're not going to want to miss it. This is Costantino Garage. Okay guys, so I was lucky enough to get partnered up with Auxito. They have tons of LED lights and accessories for all sorts of makes and models. Be sure to check them out on their website. They have been graciously enough to send me a set of some LED smoked marker lights for my SS Camaro. So let's take a look at what we got here. So we got the rear smoked LEDs, the front, and of course, which is nice, is the connector on these. These actually plug right in to where the bulb plugs into the socket. So when we pull this out, the connector that goes to it will pull the bulb out, and then this connector will simply plug in where the bulb goes. Pretty simple setup. And it looks like they made it idiot proof because there's left hand side and right hand side for us, morons. So with that being said, let's get the wheels off and let's get these bad boys installed. All right, you just had to pull the inner fender wall off. You could get up in there, reach up, you push this little spring clip in, it'll pop out. You pull out from its little lever there, there's a little foot there that slides in, and there you go. Twist, remove this, going to remove the bulb. And right there is where our connector is going to plug in at. Now, before I plug in the side marker, I wanted to show you something about these parts. So this is the original side marker we just removed. This is the one we're gonna install. Now look at how identical these pieces are to match the OEM body panels and fit into place. I mean, every little detail is matched to the original, even down to the socket, everything. Awesome. So now let's get this in place and we'll plug this piece into the light socket. This has never been taken off and it's pretty dirty in here, so we can't put a clean part on a dirty surface. So let's clean this up real quick. And fairly easy. Much sleeker. I like it. This is what the factory marker light looks like, and this is what the Auxito LED marker lights look like. I think they look a bit better. Definitely a cool upgrade to your 5th gen. Let's get the rest of these on, shall we? Okay guys, got them all installed. This is how they look. Unlit, really sleek. It really matches well with my yellow and black scheme going here. Just the rear looks really good. Now let's see how it looks with the marker lights turned on. Definitely looks pretty sweet with the dual LED strips inside there. The rear is red and the front are amber. Pretty sweet. Definitely like the look. It's these little small attentions to detail that really make a car stand out from the rest. That is the Auxito marker lights LED smoked version. If I had to grade the difficulty level of install, 1 being the easiest, 5 being the most difficult, I would put this at a 2. The only reason why it's not a 1 is because for these marker lights on the 5th gen Camaros, besides moving the wheels, you have to remove partial of the inner fender well to get access to the marker light. So that's the only, it wasn't that bad. Once you pop it out, unplug it, plug the new one in, it snaps back in place, no problem. Put everything back together. Super simple. Anybody with just basic knowledge can do this. All you'll need is a breaker bar and lug to remove your wheel, and a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws for the inner fender well. Piece of cake. As far as quality, these marker lights I'm already loving. They look great with the smoke lenses and the LED strips. Far better than just the bulb deal. So all in all, I give Auxito marker lights 10 out of 10. I highly recommend you keep picking them up. And I got a discount code for you. So if you go to that site, purchase anything you want, you will get 15% off with the code of Costantino Garage. Type that in the website before checking out and you'll get 15% off your entire order. Don't miss out on that. And with that being said, don't miss out on my other builds on this channel. My 70 Camaro out there, it's about to get back half roll cage. I got the big block being built, supercharger on the way. Thousands of horsepower coming, so you're not gonna wanna miss it. Until then, I'll see you next time. This is Costantino Garage.